National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, Pinellas County in west central Florida, southwestern...
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our part of the county. For our part of the county. Okay.
Severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Palm Harbor, or near Holiday, and moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Tampa, Clearwater, Largo, Pinellas Park, Seminole, Newport Richey, St. Petersburg, Holiday.
What? No.
McDill Air Force Base. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, heavy lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm.
Oh boy.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Hillsborough,
That's not good.
and Pinellas.
One of them must not have. Holy crap.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB32, serving the Tampa Bay area on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has extended the flood advisory for northwestern Hillsborough County and west central
It's for me.
until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause much flooding in the advisory area. 2 to 5 inches of rain is
Okay.